With bright white tile in my shower, any bathroom soap scum sticks out like a sore thumb. I even find myself pausing my shower, grabbing the cleaning sponge on the side of my bathtub, and spot cleaning between those tight tile lines. Finding the perfect grout cleaners can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best grout cleaners trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Stardrops The Pink Stuff paste can be used to clean just about anything. We've used it on our dirty countertops, greasy cookware, chrome fixtures, and of course, our grimy grout lines. For a multi-purpose paste that costs only $6 and is extremely effective, it's a great value pick. For this specific grout test, we decided to use the paste on the tile floor of our most used bathroom. Just to set the scene for you, the tile has been installed since the house was first built in the 1980s. Overall, this paste is a good value and is worth spending $6. Plus, it's a multi-purpose cleaner. Use it to clean the tub or your pots and pans, so it's a smart, effective product to use all over the house. Number 2. Wet and Forget Shower The name speaks for itself. Wet and forget. You simply coat your shower with this spray, leave it there to soak up all the dirt and grime, then rinse with water the next day, or in 4 hours like we did. But it's definitely not a fast-acting formula, so it may not be ideal if your guests are en route. However, we love that there's no scrubbing required. The only finger you have to lift is the one around the sprayer's trigger. Number 3. Better Life Natural Tub and Tile Cleaner. Whether you're looking for a grout cleaner that won't flare up your sensitivities or you're wanting to incorporate more gentle formulas in your cleaning stash, the Better Life Natural Cleaner is an excellent option for the task. This bathroom cleaner is formulated without any alcohol, petroleum-based solvents, chlorine, or bleach, instead using essential oils, coconut, and corn. Even with these gentle ingredients, our grout stains using just one layer of spray and one pass with the scrubbing brush. We will note that the initial spray can be a bit messy due to the concentrated linear stream mixing and spreading stains to surrounding areas, but everything was dry and sparkling clean within a few wipes. Number 4. Barkeeper's Friend All-Purpose Power Cream. Barkeeper's Friend is a familiar brand at the Spruce. We love using their stainless steel cleaner on our fridge and their soft cleanser for hard water stains. The all-purpose power cream features a bleach-free formula that's a bit too gentle for old, stained grout, but is ideal for light-duty maintenance. Our editor tested the all-purpose cream on her heavily stained grout, but it was evident that the cleaner excelled at lifting the dirt and grime off her tile flooring. It didn't lighten the grout color. While this is a cream-based cleaner, its texture is very liquid, and it becomes quite messy, making it difficult to control your pour on the sponge. But the application is pretty seamless. After applying the cream on a damp sponge or cloth, scrub it into the grout, rinse, and then dry it clean. The Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser is another cleaner we love using on the grout in our shower. It not only removes mold, but also brightens our grout. Plus, it leaves a subtle, yet noticeable, clean scent for nearly 2 days. Number 5. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Tub and Tile as a gentle plant-based cleaner. Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Tub and Tile Cleaning Spray continues to impress us with its effective cleaning power on tough stains. It even lifts stains from our moldy grout lines. So, if you're looking for a mold or mildew remover, this is the cleaner for you. It has a foamy texture that saturates the grime and dirt, making it easy to detect and clean. The label doesn't specify whether to let the product soak or start scrubbing right away, but with 2 squirts of solution and a bristle cleaning brush, we are able to lift the stains immediately. We love that it doesn't leave a speck of dirt and effectively removes the spots on our grout. At the same time, it won't lighten the color either. For whitening, you may want to consider a heavier-duty formula, like Zep Grout Cleaner. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.